Hello, it's Gavin here from Hydrogen Fuel Systems Proprietary Limited in Perth, Western Australia. Here we are driving home, and let's see the economy of my car right now. We're getting 7.9 litres per 100k. We've been doing that since the refill, which was about 80 kilometres ago. The car's driving very, very well, 7.9 litres per 100k, whereas normally we've got 12.5 litres per 100k without the hydrogen. I can be contacted on www.hydrogenfuelsystems.com.au, or my webpage is glnox, so my email is glnox11@live.com. What else can you say? My phone number is 040-317-7183. The economy on this car right now is brilliant, as you can see. We're averaging 7.8 litres per 100k, I think it shows right now. My friend's actually scanning this. He's actually running the camera right now for me. Anyway, the car's normally, it's a 3.6 litre V6 Commodore. Normally got 12.5 litres per 100 kilometres, and with the hydrogen system, right now I'm running a generation 10 system in the back of the car, which is delivering more than enough hydrogen for a 3.6 litre engine. I can be contacted on 040-317-7183, or my email glnox11@live.com, or the webpage www.hydrogenfuelsystems.com.au. I hope to speak to you soon. Have a good day. Goodbye.